2026. Zastava 9000 is a car that brings back the true feeling of strong metal, simple engineering, and honest driving, mixed with modern technology that fits today's roads and daily needs. This car is designed for people who want durability, comfort, and reliability without unnecessary complications. From the first look, the Zastava 9000 shows a bold and confident design. The body shape is solid and muscular, with straight lines that remind us of classic European cars, while modern LED lights give it a fresh and updated appearance. The front grille looks powerful, and the car sits firmly on the road, giving the driver confidence even before starting the engine. When you open the door and step inside the Zastava 9000, you feel a balanced mix of simplicity and comfort. The interior is spacious, with wide seats designated for long drives and daily use. The materials feel strong and long-lasting, made to handle use and changing weather conditions. The dashboard layout is clean and easy to understand, so the driver does not get distracted. Everything is placed where it should be, making driving relaxed and stress-free. The steering wheel feels solid in hand, and the driving position gives a clear view of the road ahead. The engine of the 2026 Zastava 9000 is built for reliability and smooth performance. It delivers strong power for city driving and highways, while also being fuel efficient. This car is not made for racing, but for steady and confident driving in all conditions. Whether you are driving through busy city streets, long highways, or uneven rural roads, the Zastava 9000 remains stable and comfortable. The suspension system absorbs bumps easily, making roads feel smoother and more controlled. One of the best things about the Zastava 9000 is its low maintenance nature. The engine and mechanical parts are designated to last long and remain easy to repair. This makes the car perfect for people who want a vehicle that does not cause constant trouble or high service costs. The braking system is strong and responsive, providing safety and control even during sudden stops. The tires and road grip are well balanced, giving confidence during turns and wet road conditions. Technology in the 2026 Zastava 9000 is practical and useful. The infotainment system supports basic connectivity features, allowing you to enjoy music and navigation without distraction. The air conditioning system cools the cabin quickly and maintains comfort even in hot weather. Safety features are included to protect both driver and passengers, making this car suitable for families as well as daily commuters. This car is especially ideal for people who value strength, simplicity, and long-term use. The Zastava 9000 does not try to be overly fancy, but it focuses on doing everything right. It is a car that you can trust every day, whether for work, travel, or family use. The driving experience is calm, stable, and dependable, making every journey feel safe and controlled. In the end, the 2026 Zastava 9000 represents a smart choice for drivers who want a strong and practical car with a classic soul and modern touch. It is built to last, easy to drive, and affordable to maintain. This car proves that true value comes from reliability, comfort, and honest performance, making the Zastava 9000 a dependable companion for years to come.